Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all be fine. We will start with a new chapter, chapter 5, lesson 1. From this lesson, we will learn how we can add and subtract fractions. We can use diagram to add or subtract fraction. For example, we have 1 over 4 and 1 over 3. How we can add? We can make it shaded bar, make it in 12 parts because the common multipliers between 4 and 3 it's 12. After that, we'll think 1 over 4 we will put 12 from there, and 4 will multiply with which number it will be 12 with 3. So from up we'll write 4, and from place 1 over 3 we will write 12 from up, like the another fraction to be common denominator between them, and 3 multiply which number it will be 12 multiply 4. So from there we'll write 4. After that we'll add 3 plus 4 it's 7, and for addition or subtraction we don't add or subtract the denominator, just will add or subtract the numerator. To add fraction without using diagrams, you can write equivalent fractions by using a common denominator or the least common denominator. The least common denominator is the least common multiples of the denominators. So from there we have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5. From first time we'll try make this denominator same denominator because you can't add the denominator. We'll just add the parts, so that means just we'll add the number of up the numerator. From there we can't change this denominator by 10. We make them same by multiply 2 with 5 and 5 is multiplied by 2. When you multiply the under number or the denominator by any number, you must be also multiply the numerator by same number. So 2 times 5 it's 10, and 1 times 5 it's 5. From there 3 over 5 you have also, we make it same denominator, we make it 10. 5 with 2 will be 10. 5 times 2 it's 10, and 3 times 2 it will be 6. Now we'll add them. 5 plus 6 from place 1 over 2. Now we have 5 over 10, and from place 3 over 5 we have 6 over 10. After that we'll add 5 plus add it's 11, and we keep 10, we don't change it. And 11 it's more than 10, you can divide, use divide. 11 divided by 10 it will be 1, and 1 its remainder. This 1 from quotient its whole number, and the remainder we write from up, and the denominator it doesn't change. From example 3 we have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Also we make them same denominator. We'll multiply 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 to be same denominator to be 6 because it's common multipliers between them. So 3 times 2 is 6. When you multiply the denominator by any number, also you must multiply the numerator by same number. 2 times 2 is 4. We get 4 over 6, and 1 over 2 right from there, and we'll multiply by number. We get 6. 2 times 3 it will be 6, and 1 times 3 it is 3. We get 3 over 6. From place 2 over 3 we write 4 over 6, and from place 1 over 2 we write 3 over 6. After that we'll subtract the numerator. 4 minus 3 it's 1 over 6. From example 4 in A we have 5 over 6 minus 7 over 9. So 5 over 6 and 7 over 9 they have different denominator. How we can make them same denominator? We can find common multiples between them. We can multiply 6 with 3 and 9 with 2, we get 18. Also we can multiply 6 with 9 and 9 with 6. It's up to you. So from there let's multiply 6 with 9 and 9 with 6. 6 times 9 it's, and when we multiply the denominator we say that also we multiply the numerator by same number. 5 times 9 it's 45. After that we have 7 over 9. This 9 will multiply by 6. Also 7 will multiply by 6 to get 54 in denominator. 7 times 6 is 42. 9 times 6 is 54. Now we'll subtract these two fractions we have. Just we subtract the numerator. 45 minus 42 is 3, and we keep 54. We get 3 over 54. 3 over 54, it's not simplest fraction because we have common factor between them. You can divide the 3 and 54 by 3. 3 divided 3 it's 1, and 54 divided 3 it's 18. Now 1 over 18 is simplest fraction. From B we have 5 over 12 minus 1 over 4. We can find common denominator between them by multiply this 4 by 3, we get 12. So from first fraction we have 12. We don't touch it. We don't change the first fraction. Just we change the 1 over 4. We make the denominator 12 by multiply with 3. 4 times 3 is 12 and 1 times 3 is 3. These two fractions we have, we subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2 and we keep 12. We get 2 over 12. So 2 over 12 we have common multiples between them. That means you can find number, you can divide the denominator and numerator by same number. From there it's 2, they are even, you can divide by 2, 2 divide 2 it's 1, 12 divide 2 it's 6, it's 1 over 6, it's simplest fraction. Let's solve some practice in page 97. It's about adding and subtracting. Write the sum or difference in simplest form. From 3 we have 7 over 10 plus 1 over 5. We make them same denominator. 5 we can make 10 by multiply 2, so we don't change this 7 over 10. We just change this fraction. We find the equivalent fraction. We multiply this 5 with 2. We get 10. 5 times 2 is 10. When we multiply 5 by 2, we must also multiply the numerator by same number. 1 times 2 is 2. We get 2 over 10. And 2 over 10 will put from place 1 over 5. Now 7 over 10 we have, we write again. And from place 1 over 5 we write 2 over 10. We just add the numerator, the number in up. 7 plus 2 is 9 and we keep 10, we get 9 over 10. From 4 we have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 8. We can't make them same denominator by multiply 3 with 8 and 8 with 3. From there we write first fraction 1 over 3 and this 3 will multiply by 8, we get 24. Also we multiply number in up. 1 times 8 is 8 and 1 over 8 we make it same denominator, we make denominator 24. We will multiply with 3. When we multiply the denominator by 3, we also multiply the numerator by 3. 1 times 3 is 3, 8 times 3 is 24. Now we get two new fractions, 8 over 24 we write from there and 3 over 24 we write from place 1 over 8. We'll add the number in up. 8 plus 3 is 11 and we have 24, we keep it. And 11 with 24 we can find any common factor between them. So it's simplest fraction. From 5 we have 4 over 5 minus 1 over 3. So we can make them same denominator. We multiply together. 4 over 5 we multiply by 3. 5 times 3 is 15 and 4 times 3 is 12. After that also the another fraction we make the denominator 15. We multiply by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 multiply 5 is 5. After that from place 4 over 5 we write 12 over 5 and from place 1 over 3 we write 5 over 15. And we subtract 12 minus 5 is 7 and we have 15, we keep down, we get 7 over 5 and it's simplest fraction because 7 is prime, we can't divide 15 by 7 also. From 8 we have 7 over 9 minus 1 over 6. So we make them same denominator. We make them same denominator. We can multiply 9 with 6 and 6 with 9 to get the 54 from denominator. And also we can make them 18 by this 9 we multiply with 2 and this 6 will multiply with 3. So 9 will multiply by 2, also the 7 will multiply by 2 because it's in numerator. 7 times 2 is 14, 9 times 2 is 18. And 1 over 6, this 6 we make it 18, we make them same denominator, that means common multiples between them. So 6 times 3 is 18, also we multiply 1 with 3 will be 3. 3 with 18 we will put from place 1 over 6 and 14 over 8 we will put from place 7 over 9. 14 over 18 minus 3 over 18, 14 minus 3 it's 11 and we keep 18. We get 11 over 18. It's simplest fraction because you can find common factor between them. From numbers, because they have same denominator, so it's very easy. Just we'll add the numerator. 1 plus 3 is 4 and we give 5, we get 4 over 5. From number 7 also they have same denominator. We just subtract 7 minus 4 it's 3, we get 3 over 9. But 3 over 9 it's not simplest fraction because from between 3 and 9 we can find number, we can divide 3 and 9. We have the common factor between them. 3 divided 3 it's 1 and 9 divided 3 it's 3. Now 1 over 3 is simplest fraction. Thank you for keeping coaching.